Is your online reputation holding your business hostage? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to flood your Google business profile with positive reviews, turning those potential customers into loyal fans and boosting your bottom line. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make it ridiculously easy for customers to leave a review. The fewer clicks, the better. Get your direct review link from your Google business profile dashboard, so your customers can click and leave a review directly. Step 2. Ask. Don't be shy. Integrate review requests into your post-purchase email sequences, SMS messages, or even right on the thank you page after a transaction. Keep the message friendly, concise, and include that direct review link. Consider using QR codes on receipts, business cards, or in-store signage. Customers can simply scan and instantly leave a review. Step 3. Optimize the in-person experience. Train your staff to politely encourage satisfied customers to leave a review. Positive word of mouth starts with great service. Step 4. Respond to every review. Show your customers you value their feedback. Thank them for positive reviews and address negative reviews constructively and professionally. By implementing these strategies, you'll build a stellar online reputation, attract more customers, and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more growth hacking tips.